Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and fix the problem that you might be having with Odoo if the UPS label is not generating. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Odoo forums right here at odoo.com. This is going to open up the main page from where we can get started. From this home page in the upper right corner, we can get started logging in. If you do not already have an account, you can just go and create one. So after logging in, this is going to be the home page. From this main page in the upper left corner, we have the editor mode from where we can access our configuration tab, site settings, and so on. And now let's go and take a look at how to fix the problem if your UPS labels are not showing up on Odoo. So you can see the product label is not working. We have here on the official Odoo forum somebody with a similar problem who asked a similar question on how to fix the problem with the product label not appearing. So basically guys, here we have answers by somebody who is more familiar with Odoo and developers. So basically what you want to do when you have any kind of problem that is specific to you, your best choice is go to the official odoo.com forums right here, and this is going to enable you to post your own thread. Browse the thread, give you all your information, post pictures and so on, and somebody with more knowledge or who is the developer at the Odoo is going to come in and help you out how to fix it. You have all your configuration tabs right here for accessing settings, code, and so on. So just follow whatever they tell you, and this is your best chance for fixing any problem that you might be having with Odoo. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Take care and bye.